Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Marley Tulapay here at Lifestyle DIY Projects. In today's video, how to install hinge on raised bed. Let's get started. Before we started, let me talk to you about the materials that we need. Um, let's get closer here. Um, you actually need a drill bit, 1x8 drill bit, and then you need two impact driver. One here, one here, two impact driver. And you need a 2 inches hinge right here. This is 2 inches hinge. So we're gonna install here. We're gonna install this in the back of this windows that I actually, this is a pre-windows that they throw it away, and I pick it up. I don't want it anymore, so I save some money. I don't have to buy windows and build it a new frame. But for now, I'm just gonna use this. Maybe in the future I'll make a new one someday, but for this winter I'm gonna use this. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna install hinges here, the back. So I'm here right now in the back. We're gonna install this hinges, and I measure here. This is going to be at least 6 inches from the start of right here, right by the tip, about 6 inches all the way to the end of this raised bed. So you measure it, that's 6 inches. 6 inches. We're gonna do the same thing at 6 inches over here, all the way in the back. So, and you need a drill bit, a 1x8 drill bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole over here. I know this thing is kind of tight over here, but let's see if this is ready. Okay, let's drill a hole over here. Just all right, I'm here right now. I changed the angle, so I just drill the thing in here. So now we're gonna screw this thing here. This is actually a 2 inches drill, no, 2 inches hinges. So okay, next. Okay, let's see if we could find something smaller than, it's So we could find some tools here. This thing is a smaller size. Okay. That's better. This is the last one here. All right, so right now we just finished that thing. Let's closer here. See if you could see it right here. So we just installed the first one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the next one right here. Hinge here. This is the second part. One down. Two. There. Here you go. So I don't want you to see the whole thing, but I'm gonna do the other side too. So this is the next side, then we're gonna go that way, but I'm just gonna show you this one. I just finished the hinges, so let's open this thing and see how it works. There you go. You can see it here, the first one and the other one here. So the only thing you have to do now is you need to have at least something when you open it, some kind of like thing in here. There you go. That's more convenience. So we're gonna do the other side too. This is just a simple things that you have to do. It's not complicated. So all right, I'm just gonna show it to you. Here's the finished product. So I just so they have hinges here. So I put this thing in here to secure it, a wood. So you can see the hinges right here on each side. One over here, also right there, right here. There's one there and one over there. So that's the project. So we just finish it. So when you want to close it, you just remove this thing, close this thing. There you go. And this one, they're gonna protect them from snow. So there's the carrots right there. But yeah, that's the finished product. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And we will see you with the next video. Bye bye.